Okay, so I thought I'd better just do an unboxing of this Ryobi 5-inch. Is it random orbit? It is random orbit. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. Now my last one lasted for way longer than it should have, like 10 plus years. So it does come with some sandpaper. So yeah, I mean that's really about it. I don't know what else there would be to say, and I'm sure everyone knows what a random orbit sander is, but that's what you get in the box. You get the sander, the instructions, dust collector, and some sandpaper to get you started. So there you go, unboxing the Ryobi 5-inch random orbit sander. So I have mine modified a little bit to cut down on some of the dust. I just put my vacuum cleaner right into the back side of it, and believe it or not, it does make a big difference. So the sandpaper that comes with it is actually quite hard. You know, it's not cheap. It seems to be holding up quite well. I've done this whole stack of 2x4s here for this bench I'm building, and it's still going with little wear. So it does come with quality sandpaper. So anyways, if you made it this far for the unboxing video, thanks for watching.